Peace and love, everybody. This is Young Nas from iGotOptions LLC, and in this video I want to talk about what whale splashes are. Alright, so I'm not talking about in the ocean, right? I'm not talking about real whale splashes. I'm talking about in terms of the stock market, right? So what is that? Alright, so a whale refers to a company or a person who has enough buying power and money to basically cause a stock to crash or shoot up in seconds. Alright, now a whale splash is them actually doing that when that company or person goes ahead and causes that crash or rally. Alright, so sometimes when you're looking at stocks, you'll notice that they'll just crash sharply for really no reason whatsoever, right? There's no fundamental reason or technical reason, and that's because there's a whale splashing the market, right? They're either selling their positions, causing a crash, or they're entering their position, causing that stock to rally up higher. Now, it's important to understand that whale splashes don't necessarily have a permanent effect on that stock that you're looking at, because let's say you got a call on a stock, right? And the fundamental analysis adds up, the technical analysis adds up. You think that getting this call on this stock makes the most sense in the world, all right? And let's say you're right? You're right for a couple of minutes, you're about to sell it. However, a whale splashes that stock. Let's say that whale splashed the stock to the downside. Now you're down on your call, all right? You don't necessarily want to panic, because usually when a whale splashes a stock, it typically recovers in the next couple of minutes. Now sometimes it doesn't, right? Sometimes we can see a whale splash a stock and it'll continue going in that direction. Alright, so it can be risky trying to figure out how to play a whale splash. However, I did want to make this video to just go over what a whale splash is.